This video is about when I went on a visit to Hollingworth Lake in Lissabura. Nope. Completely oblivious. Don't blame it, really. Him.
Yeah, definitely fine.
Well, it's got plenty of grass to munch on. Swan and its signet. Very cute. Proves how big they get before their feathers arrive and turn white. There's another swan. Can turn around a little bit. Oops. Fudge, fudge. Too far over. There we go. Another one. Must be feather cleaning day. Yeah, on this, they at Hollingworth Lake, they do actually provide
Jackie, this one's
seeds
asking.
to feed to the ducks and the geese. So basically, then it just stops them getting fed lots of bread, which obviously is not very good for them. So it is quite a nice place to go and visit with your family or adults, because I enjoy feeding animals too. So yeah, it was pretty cool, and they seemed friendly enough. Obviously, I tried encouraging them to come a bit closer to me, but you know, they were a bit apprehensive and decided, nope, I don't trust this human. But still, it was fun. So I am going to try and get to do some more paranormal or more, you know, adventures or explorers or little outings. So just let me know if you enjoy little videos like this. Well, as you can see, I was enjoying myself. I did have an absolute lovely day, and yeah. So anyway, I do hope you like the little video. Please like, share and subscribe, and thank you for watching.